Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Mindful Information. So today we will discuss about capsule and its evaluation methods, type of capsules and manufacturing of empty hard gelatin capsule cells. So my name is Lovely. So let's begin. Capsule. Capsule is an dosage form which are used to treat any patient, inside which a medicament or drug is filled. The outer covering of the capsule is made up of gelatin. Use the capsule which are used. Why is it used? It is used to mask the taste or to mask the odor. Gelatin. Gelatin is the outer covering of the capsule which is made up of. It is a heterogeneous product derived by hydrolytic extraction of animal collagen. Type of gelatin. Type of gelatin, there are two types, type A and type B. Source. Type A is obtained from pork skin. And process, how it's obtained? It's obtained from acid process and isoelectric point is pH is 9. And type B is obtained from bones processing, alkali processed, and isoelectric point pH which is 4.7. Hard gelatin capsule. Components of hard gelatin capsules are capsule cells which is made of gelatin, dyes, indigo dyes, erythrocene, opicides, titanium dioxide, plasticizers, sorbitol, preservatives, methyl paraben, propyl paraben. Size and filling capacity of gelatin. You can see the number is increasing from ascending order. If number increase, then size is decreasing, and size is decreasing, then volume also decrease, and weight in mg is increase, as you can see in the picture. This is very important for GPAT and NIPER exam. The method of manufacturing of empty cells. Steps: dipping, spinning, drying, stripping, trimming, joining and polishing. Dipping temperature is 22. Solution temperature is equal to 50 degrees Celsius. Time of dipping 12 seconds. Spinning, pins are rotated. And drying is the by use of dry airs or dehumidification. Stripping by bronze jaw. Trimming by stationary knives. Joining, cap and body are joined. Polishing by polymers. This is the steps how to make capsule. So now talk about evaluation of the capsule. Evaluation of the capsule. In this have 4 steps is which is invariability test. Invariability test have weight variation, content uniformity. Weight variation: average weight of capsule less than 300 milligrams and 300 mg or more. Percent deviation 10% and 7.5%. Content uniformity. Test pass if all 30 capsules are within 75 to 125% range and NLT 27 or 30s are within 85 to 115% range. Dissolution test, which is rotating basket type. Now third is disintegrating test. 4 HEC hard gelatin capsule is 30 minutes. For soft gelatin capsule is 60 minutes. Now is fourth, which is stability test, cell integrity test, determination of shelf life. Note, it's very important. Soft spot. In the capsule there are some problems which create after preparation or manufacturing of the capsule. Soft spot at site at which capsule lies next to the tray or against another capsule. It gets soft sometime when it touch with other capsules, then it gets then this is precaution we should use. Bloating at high humidity, 60% capsule size increase. Foreign capsule, which is unfilled capsule. So I hope you understand everything that I tell you, which is very important for GPAT exam. So thank you for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.